Yes, it's 5:04, and I'm about to make myself a cocktail. I'm about to crank the music, and I'm about to start dinner. So, hey guys, how is everybody today? Today is Friday, or Saturday, or Tuesday. It doesn't actually matter. It's all one day. It's actually Friday. It's really Friday. And I am going to clean today. Normally what happens here is that every 2 weeks, every other Monday, we are lucky enough to have a cleaning lady, but for obvious reasons, she is not coming. Not that my house stays spotless after she comes anyway. She like deep cleans and I like lightly clean all the time because I have 3 kids and a husband, and now we're all home at the same time. So I'm constantly like loading and loading the dishwasher, mopping, sweeping, cleaning. So it's super tedious, but I just wanted to take you along with me for my tedious Friday. I also created a PDF checklist, cleaning checklist, that could help you just like check off things that you need to do in your house and maybe even put together a schedule, a cleaning schedule, which is something that I'm gonna need to do. I haven't done that yet. Just so I don't have like a whole day of cleaning like I'm about to embark on now. All right, well, come on, let's go clean. All right, guys. I know it's embarrassing, but this is my entryway. It's full of Amazon boxes. I kind of let them arrive. I'll open them, like the tops of them, but I really kind of just let them sit for like sometimes 2 to 3 days now to get rid of whatever is on them. And then I will unpack them. I feel like I had about 12 boxes roughly. It's a lot. Like I'm not even gonna, it's a little embarrassing, but it's what I do at night. I like sit in my bed and I shop on Amazon. So I unpacked the boxes and now I'm just cleaning up the entryway, which really has turned into like our shipping and receiving department, and it is pretty gross usually. Every few days I'll clean it out like I'm doing today. So I sweep up all the debris and then I just do a wet Swiffer and, you know, clean up the entryway, and see, voila, it looks like people live here again. And it's not just like shipping and receiving. And then I straighten up my dining room, which is also another room where like when things come, they kind of just end up in there. And once the area is clean, I love to light a candle and have it looking nice, at least until the next set of shipments start to arrive, which will probably be within the hour. I also constantly now I Lysol all the handles, all the door handles that people touch from inside or outside or coming in from outside. And now here we are. It's nice and clean. The table's clear. I didn't put the shoes away because my husband walks the dog first thing in the morning. He wears his boots, and my 5-year-old always leaves her shoes on the stairs, which is good because she likes to. Okay, that was a serious unpack. And as you can see, I'm sweaty and shiny from doing all that sweeping and unboxing of packages. And now I am going to make some lunch for my little one. And what am I gonna do next? The kitchen. Always the kitchen. The kitchen's like, you just gotta do it multiple times a day. So come on, let's go do the kitchen. So here's the kitchen. This is a lot of the stuff that came out of some of those boxes in the entry, plus my daughter's Barbies and a cup and some crayons and, you know, the normal junk that accumulates on our kitchen table. So now we're here, and this is the sink area. That's a sandwich press, and it usually looks like this after I go up to my desk for a while. I usually do the dishes in the morning, and I come back to this. Dishwasher's clean, nobody unloads it. It waits for me. And yeah, some pots on the stove. Yeah, this is my kitchen. Yeah, this is my house. I can't hide from it. This is what it's like every day, all day. It used to only be like this at certain periods, but now all day, you know. It'll stay clean for about 20 minutes and then that's it. So I'm gonna unload the dishwasher, and that's what I usually start with. I always unload the dishwasher and I take my time, make sure that's clean. Yep, that was clean. And I put everything away. I cannot like start cleaning, cooking. I can't start doing stuff until the dishes are done. So I just do the dishes. It's super tedious, but I mean, I do it every day, multiple times a day.
I'm not gonna clean out the sink at this point because it's late in the afternoon and I'm probably gonna make dinner soon, but I will like clean the sink, but I'm just not gonna bleach it and do all that stuff that I would normally do at the end of the evening. Then I clean the countertops, which I do also multiple times a day because I'm a little obsessive about the countertops. And then this area is where the mail usually all piles up and stuff from the kids' school or whatever, and then just junk. We just dump things there, so I'm just gonna clean off this area, organize it a bit. I also have my coffee maker over there. It's like a little coffee bar area. My husband works from home now, of course, so he has multiple cups of coffee a day, and it splatters a bit from the Keurig machine, so just gonna clean that up, clean that whole area, make sure everything's like not sticky. And here we are, little coffee bar area, and then there's the bar area. That pile of mail needs a home. I'm gonna sort through it later tonight, but just cleaned up the countertops, and it's nice when it's clean. If it could only stay this way. Then of course I have to sweep under the chairs, which always is full of like food and debris and whatever. Sweep under the table, just it's amazing to me the amount of dust that accumulates in like, I don't know, a day. It's not like I do this every day. Like I sweep the kitchen every day, but here we are. It's clean now. Don't ask about the 3 wing chairs at the table with a bench.
Hey, I wanted to show you guys, since paper towels and paper products in general have become really hard to come by, and I'm not exactly an early riser, like I don't want to get up mad early to like fight with people for paper towels at the supermarket. I went on Amazon the other night because I do this thing where I make a cocktail and then I go on Amazon and I hunt for random things that are out of stock everywhere. And I find them, trust me. Late night shopping, it works. I decided to get these, and let me show you. These are these nasty paper towels you'll get like in a restaurant or something and you have to dry your hands. But they're perfect for like cleaning, and they sell them in bulk, and they're pretty affordable and easy to come by. So I got these, and it's what I use just for cleaning. So you might want to do that, or not, so there's more left for me to use. Just a tip from me to you.
So here it is, nice and clean, clear table, clean countertops, no pots, no dirty dishes, everything's in the dishwasher, refrigerator is polished. I hate fingerprints on the refrigerator and the dishwasher and the stove. So everything's nice and clean. This will last probably 10 to 15 minutes until somebody comes downstairs and decides they want to hang out in the kitchen and like, you know, eat chips while they walk around the island and just spread crumbs. All right, so I just finished cleaning the kitchen. I did not mop the floor because it's almost 5 o'clock, right? Yes, it's 5:04, and I'm about to make myself a cocktail. I'm about to crank the music, and I'm about to start dinner. So there's no point in me mopping the floor because they're gonna have dinner, so I'm gonna sweep and mop probably when it's time to go to bed or once they get out of the kitchen, and then, you know, start all over again the next day. See a little rugrat behind me? They're just hovering, waiting for dinner. And then I'm gonna do the bathroom and the family room. Not sure about the playroom because it's a lot. It's a mess in there. I might tackle it tomorrow so that it's not so bad at the end of the weekend. I don't know if I have the energy to do that now, but yeah, so that's where I'm at. All right, here goes. Okay, so here we are in my downstairs bathroom. We actually have 2 downstairs bathrooms, and both of them get quite a bit of use. It's usually a lot of toilet cleaning because I do have an 11-year-old boy. I'm not quite sure what he does. I feel like he closes his eyes and writes his name in urine. But yeah, so they both get cleaned multiple times a day. And then it's just about like, you know, cleaning off the sink and cleaning the mirrors. They're really tiny bathrooms. It's really easy to clean. This one in particular is really due for a makeover, and I think I'm gonna stencil the walls in like a chinoiserie pattern, but I also might wallpaper. It'll definitely be a video, just, it's coming. It's coming soon. But here we are, nice and clean, all done. So this is the family room. This is where Weezy lives. As you can see, there's a gate there. We kind of keep her in this room. It's a pretty big room, which our trainer told us was kind of too big for a Labradoodle, but the room is what it is. We don't let her just roam the house freely because, let's face it, my dog's a wild animal. She will chew and eat everything. She pretty much did that to this room, and at this point she's kind of over it, so whatever's left in here is what she hasn't destroyed. But this is where she hangs out, and if you want to spend time with her, we come into this room, which everybody's in here all the time. But yeah, here it is, nice and cleaned up. It's an easy clean. It's basically vacuuming, sweeping, and fluffing the pillows. I always Febreze it, which she hates, by the way, but it makes the room smell fresh. I'm also super allergic to dogs, and although she's supposed to be hypoallergenic, I'm definitely allergic to her. And so I need it to be as clean as possible in there. And look how happy she is with her bone. She loves that bone. She like gnaws it to death. She's like in her happy place right now. Sometimes I just want to be wheezy. She's so, look at her tail. She's the best. All right, guys, I am so done with this house for now. I still have to do the sunroom. I still didn't clean any of the kids' bedrooms, my bedroom, my bathroom, the upstairs bathrooms. But you know what? We're not going anywhere. We're gonna be here. So there's always tomorrow and the next day. And hey, instead of watching me clean, go clean your dirty house. Because I know it's dirty, because you're busy watching YouTube, watching me. Go clean, go down below, get the checklist so you can organize your cleaning duties, and give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I will see you back next week. Bye.